Welcome to video number 1 of 2 in the Soft Skills workshop. As you can see from the definition on your screen, soft skills include a wide variety of attributes. In general, they are more about who you are rather than about what you can do. Soft skills take time to prove. Things like being flexible, dedicated, respectful, and cooperative. In contrast, hard skills are things you can prove more or less immediately, such as the ability to type 40 words per minute or to operate a power tool. As we discussed in the interviewing workshop, hard skills are also more teachable than soft skills. You can teach someone how to operate a multi-line phone system, but typically it's much harder to teach someone how to be honest or enthusiastic. That's why we say that soft skills are more about your personality or your character. This quote at the bottom of your screen is from a news article about a state-of-the-art carbon fiber bicycle factory that was opening in Tennessee. This local official thought that the difficult part would be training new employees on how to use the factory's machinery and computer software. In reality, their biggest challenge was finding applicants with the necessary soft skills to do the job well, and who also could pass a drug test. Let's look at each one of these elements one at a time. Now, it might seem obvious, but the first step in a successful workday involves literally getting up. There's a lot you can do the night before to make sure your workday mornings are less stressful. The most obvious step is to go to bed at a reasonable hour, sober, with an alarm clock set to an hour that will give you plenty of time to get to work without rushing. Make sure whatever clothing or uniform you're going to need is clean and ready to go. If you pack a lunch, you can prepare it the night before. Make sure you have breakfast food in the house, gas in the car, and, if applicable, your child care arranged. In many jobs, looking professional and appropriate is almost as important as behaving appropriately and professionally. Coming to work dressed appropriately every day, not just on the first day of work, shows the employer, customers, coworkers, etc. that you take your job seriously. It is a sign of respect and professionalism. It includes not just your clothing, but also your hairstyle, tattoos, piercings, fragrances, jewelry, and so on. We talk a lot more about professional attire in the interviewing workshop, but in general, you just want to be certain that you are dressed in accordance with the expectations of your individual employer. Now again, this should seem obvious, but one of the biggest complaints expressed by employers is the difficulty of getting workers simply to show up for work. This, of course, includes being on time and working all of your scheduled hours. The more figurative aspect of showing up involves how you behave after arriving at work. Are you fully present, attentive, and committed? Are you giving 100% in all of these ways listed here? Representing the face of your employer in a positive way? Being consistent and neat? Meeting your deadlines? Fulfilling your duties, being a team player, behaving acceptably in a mature manner, following through on what you're supposed to be doing, taking initiative, being confidential, managing your feelings in a calm way, and of course following the workplace rules. So you can see that this figurative aspect of showing up is perhaps the most important part of this first video in the soft skills workshop. Okay, so that is the last screen of video number 1 of 2. What you're going to do next, there should be a link popping up here within YouTube. You're going to click on that, watch the video, and then answer the questions on section 1 of your worksheet. Following that, you will watch video number 2 in the soft skills workshop.